Hello viewers, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. How are you all doing today, my lovely people? I hope everyone are doing marvelous. So guys, today I want to share with you a very quick and amazing recipe. Oh yes, in today's video I want to tell you a very effective way in which you can use to do a 14 days cleansing using a particular spiritual perfume. A lot of you have this perfume in your homes, but you don't know that you can as well use it in this manner. But before I go into that video or this teaching, I want to use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. May God Almighty bless you. And to my newer subscribers in the building, you guys are highly welcome. Please help us and also, try and subscribe for more spiritual videos. All right, in this channel we teach you how you can use natural things to solve some of your spiritual problem by the special grace of God. Please, after watching the video, like this video for me, share it, okay, and leave your nice comment under the comment section. If you need to order for a product, please kindly WhatsApp me on this number 090-5982-5779. I am always active on WhatsApp. Always active on WhatsApp, please. Now, back to the topic. This perfume is so spiritual and is a very powerful perfume that can be used to destroy the devil handswork. A lot of you has this perfume in your homes. You have been neglecting it. You don't know that it has a lot of spiritual powers that is capable of destroying the works of the devil. Now, this perfume can be purchased in a spiritual shop, or you can purchase it from me. All right, so I am here to show you this perfume. It is called Saint Michael perfume. I will show you the perfume. Saint Michael perfume has so many ways in which you can use it depending on what you want to achieve or what you want to use it for. Like this month of November that we just entered, you want to use it for cleansing for 14 days to destroy all the evil afflictions in your life, to destroy evil manipulations, attacks, to make people to begin to love you. For example, you have been always experiences hatred. Now, we all know that in just a few days, the year of 2023, we just finished. For those of you who has never achieved any good thing since January up to this hour, this particular video is for you. If you want to achieve marvelous thing before the year closes, if you want people to keep on patronizing, or you want to start making people to patronize you, if you want to close that deal that worth millions, I know that this looks simple, but it's very effective. Now, get original Saint Michael, like the one I'm showing you right now. Get original Saint Michael. You can call it Saint Michael or Holy Michael. They have fake. Please get original one. I keep on saying, get original one. So when you get it, all right, get me your bucket, a full bucket, a big bucket. Okay, a big bucket that you can store water for 14 days inside it. All right. Now get me your normal salt, the salt that you and I always make use in kitchen. Get this salt, okay? Now, this is what you need to do. That water that you just gathered in a bowl, as in a big place, like big rubber. Now drop 14 count of this perfume in that water. Also, take a pinch of salt, 14, using your right hand, the way I just explained now on this video, and then drop 14 pieces of 14 drops of the salt inside that water, and then take that water outside. That water should be outside just for nights, one night. But before you leave that water to go inside, please use a single broom, a single stick broom, and then cross it over to the bucket. The bucket should be an open bucket, please. You cross it over on top of that bucket, and then you go inside. In the morning, now bring the full water inside your house, and then start fetching from there. Every morning before you go to work, fetch from that water, and then use it to bathe every morning before you go out for any business, for any deal, for anything. Use it to bath. This bath should be taken for 14 days. While you are bathing, please make use of your normal soap and sponge, and also remember to bathe barefooted. So while you are bathing, please be making a very powerful prayer. Be making a very powerful prayer while you are bathing. And after bathing, please guys, do not cleanse your body. Do not clean your body. Allow the water to dry on your skin. All right, allow the body to dry on your skin, and after drying, now you are free to wear your clothes, you wear your pomade down, go out for that business. And trust me, by the time you're going to be completing this for 14 days, you are going to see God in action. Every road that seems blocked on your way will be opened by special grace of God. This is a very powerful yet simple recipe for open doors and breakthrough, to destroy every handworks of the devil and its agents in your life. This worked perfectly well. Please guys, that is how it should be done. And if you're confused about what I just teach now, leave your comments under the comment section. Okay, please remember to subscribe, join this beautiful family, so that we can grow together and move the channel to the permanent side. All right, so before I go off, I have a product that I want to show you. Yes, this product works wonders for those of you who has several pains in their bodies: waist pain, ankle pain, chest pain, back pain, any pain at all. And those of you that has high BP, this particular product right now is a B. It's made with natural herbs. Okay, so this recipe, this particular product will bring that stubborn high BP done by special grace of God, not by my power. And those pain that you always experience, you have taken a boliki balm or other product and yet it didn't go away, try this. Okay, you are only permitted to drink it for 3 days, and that will be the end of that pains in your body. So to purchase, all you have to do is WhatsApp me on my number 09059825779. I am active on WhatsApp. See you on my next video. Bye.